Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your account on Wordtune. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in wordtune.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Wordtune website. Now first of all, log into your account by clicking on the login button at the top right corner and then use your email address and your password in order to log in and end up within your homepage. Once you are taken into the Wordtune homepage, if you wish to delete your account permanently, then click on the account icon at the bottom left corner and then click on account. This will now take you into your account page, within which there is no particular option to delete your account. However, you will find the support section and the help center at the bottom. Go ahead and click on it. And now from this page, click on the AI assistant at the bottom right corner, which has the Wordtune logo. And now you can click on send us a message and you will be asked a question. Click on I have a technical issue. And now you will see the talk to agent option. Go ahead and click on it. And now you will be able to send your direct message. Just type in that you wish to delete your account and click on the send button. You will now see the can I delete my account option. Just click on this and now you will be taken to the account deletion page. Once you get in touch with the support team directly and relay your concern, you will get an email within your email address that you used for signing up, letting you know the steps to follow in order to delete your account. After following these steps, your account will be scheduled for deletion, and after about 2 weeks, it will be permanently deleted. So make sure not to log back in within this time period, and your account will be deleted. And there you have it. That is how you can delete your account on Wordtune. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.